This is the Chainsaw Man adaptation we've been waiting for. In its premiere, the highly anticipated anime delivers a gnarly, brutal, violent, but also kind of heartwarming episode with some great gallows humor and surprisingly poignant themes. And once the titular Chainsaw Man makes an appearance, all hell breaks loose, making for one of the coolest and bloodiest scenes to be animated in quite a long time. And this is only the beginning.
君は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも特別だから。勝負じゃ勝負じゃ！戦いだ！
Chainsaw Man is set in a world where human fears take physical form and become devils who wreak havoc across the earth. Now, the premiere introduces us to Denji, a destitute kid working to pay off an absurdly high debt he inherited from his father, and whose only friend is an adorable demon dog thing named Pochita. Now, with the help of the chainsaw coming out of Pochita's forehead, Denji works as a devil hunter for the Yakuza, slowly paying off his debt and trying not to starve in the meantime. Other than Pochita being the cutest thing you've ever seen, a Chainsaw Man is incredibly bleak. We're talking Attack on Titan levels of darkness, and that's not even because of the devils or the absurdly gory violence, but because of its exploration of working class woes. Now, if you thought Squid Game's portrayal of the horrors of being in debt was dark, well, wait until you see what Denji has done to try and ease the burden a bit. Our young protagonist may fight devils on the daily, but he doesn't flinch at the sight of them because they're nothing compared to his real horrors. That is Chainsaw Man's secret sauce, how it takes tried and tested tropes of shonen anime like One Piece and My Hero Academia and twists them into something quite cynical. Now, on paper, Denji doesn't seem much different than Luffy in terms of his hunger to reach a goal and his eccentric behavior, but the reasons for them being the way they are could not be more different. Now, it's a cruel and absurd story, but that only reflects the cruel and absurd world the characters live in. The bleakness of the story extends to how it looks too. Studio Mappa introduces us to a gray world with muted colors, one that is constantly cloudy where every attempt at color, any character with a splash of joy, is drowned by their surroundings, at least until the blood starts pouring. Once it does, there is a brilliant mix of computer-generated and hand-drawn animation, which allows for intricate movement and camera motions, as well as an excellent use of space that makes the enemies look bigger and the dangers more pressing. Likewise, there is some fantastic sound design in the episode, particularly in the revving of Chainsaw Man's chains, a hellish weapon that roars and deafens as it slaughters away through Denji's enemies. The Chainsaw Man premiere essentially adapts the very first chapter of the manga, recreating every single panel faithfully, with no filler and no skipping around. With 11 episodes to go, the show will either start adapting things incredibly quickly or skip and condense. Either way, we are off to a phenomenal start. Chainsaw Man delivers on all fronts with a premiere full of gnarly fight scenes, an incredibly bleak story, fantastic gallows humor, and one of the most fascinating anime protagonists in recent years. Faithfully adapting the first chapter of the manga, this is one metal anime episode that fully lives up to the hype. For more anime reviews, please check out what we thought of Cyberpunk Edgerunner Season 1 and Dragon Ball Super Hero. And for everything else, stick with IGN.